Hi, on this episode I'm going to be showing you how I actually make the clay models for the show. I've already finished these four. This is the red bird. I just haven't painted these yet. But this is the red bird, and this is the three blue birds. They're called the blues. And right now I'm going to show you how I make this guy. This is the bomb bird. If you noticed, he has these wings right here, yeah. But on the Angry Birds tunes, he doesn't have them. This is one of the first little toys that they made, so he's different. And they were gonna make him have wings, I think, but they changed their mind because a newer version right here of Terrence, see, he doesn't have any wings, so. But I'm gonna be showing you how to make the bomb bird. I'm just going to leave them right there to look at. So, first I'm going to get this Crayola air dry clay. It costs $10, but you get a whole lot of it. So, weighs a lot. First you get a big scoop of this clay. There. Then roll it into a ball, like, see, there, like this. Then you set it down when you got it, okay? And get some more clay. This is going to be for some of the body and all, for like his eyes and nose and all that. So usually it takes about this much. It takes a lot, but now I'm going to take some of this off. This is going to be the beak. Wait, see? That's going to be the beak. Just gotta kind of mold it like this, and gotta get it just right. But what I like the most about the bomb bird is that he explodes. I think it's weird that on the game he actually explodes like there's nothing left, but on Angry Birds tunes he's still alive. I don't really get that. But this is the beak that I made. And right now, I'm going to catch it. Right here. There. You go. Wait. Gotta make that so that he sits down like that. And now for the eyes. Just get a little bit of clay, only about that much, which is about a few centimeters. Roll it up, then put one eye on, and then the other. See, that's what he looks like so far. Kind of look like he has cucumbers on him, like a spa. But next, I'm going to create the eyebrows. So, because he's always angry. So, make a little shape like that. And I put this down. I put the other down. And voila, there his eyebrows are. This way it looks like. So next, we're going to make the little pupils for his eyes. Now, you only use about 1 millimeter for it because once you roll it into a ball and flatten it, it gets big. That was even too much. So, gotta make it itty bitty. Wait. There it is. Now he looks like an angry bird. Well, he's starting to turn into him. So now we get the tip of his head, the little bomb thing, like this. And we roll it up. Kind of looks like a hot dog or something. And don't make it too big. We set it on his head. And we kind of tilt it. And then we're going to add another piece for the little tip top thing. Like right here. And then we add his belly, which all Angry Birds have belly. Like, I did those, but they're hard to see. So, kind of roll it into belly shape. Then, I smush it on and lay that down, like that. Now we gotta make the tail. So roll this up, kind of like about half an inch, and turn it into a ball. Then we kind of create a little corner into the ball, like it looks like a heart, kind of. So make it like that, kind of like a heart, and put it onto the back of him, like that. And that's how you make the bomb bird.